8 Lessons learned from the 48 Laws of Power. 1 A alive or dead time. Time spent waiting is dead time. Time spent learning, being active, and utilizing resources is alive time. No other choice exists. It's up to you to decide. 2. Be morally amoral in your judgments and morally ethical in your behavior. Numerous animals' behaviors are described in books. However, as we are all born with the ability to freely choose, we ought to make wise decisions in our life, as he has. 3. Everything relies on objectivity. The goal is to eliminate the objectivity we place on the world, not to see it negatively. 4. Be better than people expect. People automatically assume things about you when you produce public work. You ought to be friendlier, funnier, wiser, open-minded, cooler, and more knowledgeable. Step 5. Enter the interior. We are outsiders when we enter a field that we haven't yet researched. However, as we put in the effort, become familiar with each component, and expand our intuitive area, we finally find our way to its interior. Make time for exertional stress. 6. A wonderful productivity tool is swimming. Why? Why currency? Because complete seclusion is necessary and no music, no phone, and no potential disruptions. Just peaceful, challenging exercise. In the pool, I've had some of my most fruitful brainstorming sessions. 7. Master the skill of patience. However, it's simpler to practice patience while nothing is happening. Allow time to do what it can. Let it expand. 8. Okay is not enough. The distinction between a mediocre novel and a classic is that sense of perfectionism. Do you think you may have thrown away some quality items? If I didn't, I would have given in.